Matt, what are you up to under there?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
It doesn't look like nothing.
No, I'm just giving the old girl a once over. Stiff competition tomorrow. We have a new contender in the 200 brake horsepower club. Ben from String Theory Garage has replaced his Celica with a MG ZS180, his new pride and joy. It's a quick car, we know that. He's a quick guy, we know that. So it's a force to be reckoned with. So just giving the old girl a once over to make sure she's in tip top to hit the track.
And who's sponsoring this video for us, Matt?
I'm glad you asked, Alex. So BOTB are sponsoring this video. A big thanks to those guys. BOTB are the original dream car competition company. BOTB give away 2 cars weekly in their midweek and dream car competitions, and to date they've given away over £38 million worth of prizes.
These dream cars sound like a bit of me. What sort of things can I win?
There are over 150 cars to choose from. There is truly something there for everyone. You can see things such as Clio V6s, Meganes, Caterhams, Lamborghinis, M4s, RX-7s. There is a huge selection of cars available. I challenge you to go and have a look. And if you can't find something that tickles your fancy, come and shout at us in the comments, because there is truly something there for everyone. And not only do you win a car, you also get 50 grand cash included. Doesn't stop there, because BOTB also help out with first year servicing costs and first year insurance costs.
Nice. Okay, so how much is this going to cost me, Matt, to enter?
I'm glad you asked, Alex. So tickets have, all of BOTB's tickets prices have recently been reduced. Tickets for the Dream Car competition are available from £1.50 upwards. You can find them via the link below in our description. Any ticket purchases go a huge way in helping our channel to grow and to provide more content for you guys to enjoy.
Nice. I think I'm going to buy me some tickets right now. Until then, tomorrow, track day, race day.
It's a big day. Race day?
Not race day, just a track day.
Track day.
Let's go.
It's going to be good.
Yeah, let's have a great day.
Fierce. Let's cut the small talk out, boys. Let's just cut to the chase.
So the day happened.
Where's the podium?
So Matt,
Who?
you're 306 with only 4 gears. GTi,
Yeah.
306 GTi4.
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 GTi4 with no passenger. I couldn't. Well, no, I could keep up. Just.
No, Ben.
Just.
No.
Just.
These are, what? You could keep up.
Yeah.
Should we review the video footage?
Yeah, you can read.
Insert clip here
Yeah.
of gappage.
Well, or of laps of just going around
Of
together.
me nearly
I
pushing.
couldn't catch up with him, but I could keep up with him. There's a difference between catching up and keeping up.
And you mean keeping up by me slowly edging further and further away from you?
I mean, if you did.
I was pretty confident, wasn't I, coming into the day that I'd come out on top. And that's what happened.
Yeah. I mean, how many times before the day?
Mindset.
The amount of times before the day today you went, all I've got to do is beat Ben. All I got to do is beat Ben. That's all I need to do.
What compound tyres are you on?
I was on soft tyres.
Yeah. I was on medium.
Yeah, but how much more tyre did you have? You're on a. I was on 195. You're on a 215 and a 17. You had about 3 times the contact patches.
That was quicker on the 15s. It was. I'd be interested to see what it would be like on 15. Felt nice on 15. Not that it made enough difference to matter. Still, you know, interesting.
Like 4 gears back.
No, that's.
Cadwell actually needed second gear in a couple of places.
I couldn't believe how you didn't need second gear. I don't reckon you'd have been that much faster with second because I reckon that you had so much momentum.
No, we'll watch the video footage. You'll
But,
see.
You know, you'd be
It's after Hall bends, those 2 right-handers
Yeah.
definitely need second.
Wouldn't you be just changing for the sake of changing almost immediately? Because to be honest, I felt that when I was using second.
That first one after Hall bend, that first tight right is the
first
second
right-hand
corner,
after Hall
isn't
bend,
it?
you left me.
The second one,
car length immediately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
second one you could,
And then
the second one you can sort of get away with.
Slipstream down the next straight.
Yeah, you were on me when you were in the slipstream,
Yeah,
weren't you?
yeah.
I wasn't really looking in the mirrors. I was just, you know.
You didn't need to. I was that close to you. I was almost entering your peripheral vision.
Moral victor has to be you with only 4 gears.
Alright, I'll take it.
It has to be.
Sold. Get on that
Sold.
podium.
I honestly
It's
don't
there.
think-
There's the podium. Either side of the bench is second and third.
honestly
Top
don't
of the
think
bench.
that, there was really like I couldn't match him when I was in front, but I could keep up when I was following. I need to go back to Cadwell and do it again, really.
Okay, let's book another track day. Done.
Like, yeah.
So moral victory to the 4-geared Peugeot 306 driven by this
really.
man here.
Not too bothered.
Right, I think we've overlooked the one main reason why you were so quick today.
What's different in the...
I know there's a lot of money, but I actually really like this car.
These.
Spend it, yeah.
Straight out of Monaco.
Spend it on
The
that.
last time I wore these, I fell off a motorbike, so it was a bit of a risky move bringing them.
We didn't fall off the track,
No,
so you did well. So from Monaco Yacht Week to Cadwell Park, the boat shoes has done you proud.
that's it.